Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're on a mission. You see, we just bought a 914 last week, and it has no keys, so we're gonna have to change that. Now, luckily, since the 914 is basically a Volkswagen, you can get the key code off of the driver's door handle, and I happen to know somebody that can cut the key from a code. Now, unfortunately, as you can see, the handle is not quite like a Volkswagen, and we're gonna have to remove the door panel. So that's what I'm gonna show you today. Now, taking the door panel off may seem a bit daunting, but it is just a glorified Volkswagen, basically. And it has the same principles, where the door handle on the inside, the window winder, they hold the panel on for the most part, along with the clips around the edge. Having this pocket here, just an extra. It's only held on with a couple screws. So let's pull that off. So I'm going to pop the pocket off first, because it's what I'm most unfamiliar with. And should be an Allen hiding in there, unless someone already took it out, which is possible that someone already took it out. I think someone else has had this idea. Oh no, there's one in here still. It is a 4mm Allen, it seems. And I'll show you the screw when it comes out. So, someone took the passenger door panel off. And I wonder if they did that thinking that they would be able to get the code on that side, and they just did that one, and then it wasn't there, and maybe they got a little upset. I think, yeah, this is coming off really easily. Someone's been in here. Yeah, someone's definitely been in here. Well, you can see there was a screw down here, and you can see where they would have been. So someone's done some things here. Oh, they put a sheet metal screw in there. Yeah, someone's had this off. Let me go get a Phillips head. This is the right size, hopefully. Yep. Yeah, so that should not be there. But that's the pocket off. And the spring's broken. So I'll pull these screws out, because they are holding it in. Well, the one would be holding the door panel. These should come out when you remove the pocket, because they're supposed to hold the pocket on. These panels aren't that complicated though. Alright. Good. It's mostly off. So now, I'm going to move you, and we're going to take these two pieces off, and it's just like a Volkswagen. So, just like a Volkswagen, on the winder, just pop the back off. Don't go too far, because you will break this. And you just this is a lot easier than the 67 and earlier winders for VW. VW changed to this in 68, I believe. 67 and earlier, much more difficult. That's much more common, like American cars are like that. And then just like a VW, oh wait, no. Well, yeah, just like a VW, but undo this screw. In here, Phillips head comes out, put it on the floor so I can lose it. That comes off. On an earlier 914, I think they have the chrome bezel like the 67 Beetles, in which case the center section pops out. This would stay. Well, on an earlier one, like a 67, and I've done a video on that, the black centerpiece is separate. This would be chromed. You pop the black centerpiece out, and the screw is hiding under it. This one, they don't hide it because it's the late models. And now, with those two pieces off, well, you'd have to pop all the clips, but this one basically had none. It's off. You lift up, door panel's off. So, if you look inside of the door, there's an Allen screw there, and that has to come out, and then there's one or two others that need to come out, and the handle should just fall out. Okay, I got it. That was painful. So on the side of the door, there's going to be a 10. I'm going to hold the handle, because just like a Volkswagen, nothing holds the handle in to the mechanism. It just pushes the mechanism. So I should be able, I'm going to drop it, but should be able to just pop it out. There we go. And there's your 914 door handle removed. Well guys, that was kind of a failure. We got it out. I showed you how to take it out. It came out. There's no code on it. It's supposed to say HC and then a number. That's the key code, and I could have a key made. It just says HC, no number. Both handles are like that. So I bet you both handles have been replaced. So hopefully the code was transferred and the ignition matches still, because I'm hoping I can take it to a locksmith, have a key cut, based on the tumbler, they put a blank in and they're special, they know what they're doing, I don't. Get a key, be done. Have a key. I can try calling Porsche, see if they can cut a key from the VIN. We'll see how that works. They're supposed to be able to. Maybe not, who knows. But we tried. But now, we can move on to another topic. Last week, we made 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for that. 5,000, that's a big number for me. I'm a small channel. Don't do a lot. Do a video a week, maybe, on a good time. Video a week. 5,000 is a ton of people watching. The last time I did a video like this was 1,000 subscribers. I think I was in high school. Been out of high school a while. We got 5 now. That's a lot. So thank you all you guys who've been around from the beginning. I know there's a few of you that watch the videos all the time. Jay, you helped me. You pushed me to this. We do a lot of videos together, so you kind of bump the numbers sometimes. But everyone that's around watching the videos, everyone that we go out and do stuff with, see you guys at the car shows. It's awesome. I love to meet you guys. Love to, interact with everyone. So pushing the number up to 5,000. That's a big step. Next huge step, 10. Maybe we'll get there in, 10 years. But who knows. But I just wanted to say thank you to everyone for helping me get to 5,000. Huge number. So big thanks to everyone, like I said. But guys, I think I'm just going to end this video now, because I'm kind of disappointed that I couldn't get a key code out of this. I mean, we're stripped down now and one step closer to be able to prep it for paint, but no key code means no steering. I mean, it's just not locked right now, but, no code, no steering, no ignition, no first start. So I'm going to get cracking on this like now. It's almost 11 o'clock. And I'm going to get cracking because I need a code. Because I want to start this thing. I know it's going to start. He's got too much engine additive in there for the car not to be a runner. So we're going to make it a runner. But I guess that's it, guys, for this one. Till the next time, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.